So I have this folder, the LA project, and we're trying to print multiple drawings that are separated on different or individual drawings, A, B, and C. So I'm going to open drawing A by double clicking on it. And I have drawing A like so. So to print multiple drawings that are on different files, let's use the publish option like so. So we have drawing A over here, only one drawing, but we needed A, B, and C, right? So in order to bring those drawings, what we need to do is click this plus icon over here on your screen. So once we do that, we're going to be able to add more drawings. So let's find those drawings B and C. So let's go over here, templates, LA projects, and here they are. So I'm going to click V, and holding the shift on my keyboard, I can select more drawings like so. I don't need A because A it's already added when I open my drawing. So over here, I'm gonna click select to add these drawings like so, and boom, you can see that now I have drawing A, B, and C. And if I need to rearrange this, I can simply click on the sheet name so I can have my drawings in order, A, B, C, like so. All right. So once I have them over here, it's the same PDF, so that's fine. And then my location, make sure you can select a new location if you need it by clicking over here and browse and finding your location. In this case, my location is fine, so I'm going to click select and click OK. So once I'm done with that, let's click publish. So I need to rename over here my new PDF. So A, B, and C, so I don't get confused. And I'm gonna simply say select. So once I do that, AutoCAD is doing its work on the background, as you can see over here. And when it's ready, it says job complete. So I'm gonna open the results. So over here. So this is the result, WGAVC. So let me open that up and you can see that I have successfully created PDF from multiple separated drawings, A, drawing B, and if I scroll down, drawing C. So let's go now with my preferred method on how to create a PDF so you can see the different options using a plot style, or CTV file. So let's do that.